The latest BMW M1000RR delivers a remarkable boost in performance, elevating its inline-4 engine output by 6 horsepower to an impressive 218 horsepower. This increase is achieved through a series of enhancements, including a significant rise in compression to 14.51 and an upgrade of the throttle valves from 48mm to 52mm. Riders will also appreciate the newly designed 58-degree rotation quick-action throttle, which promises quicker responses. Chassis improvements add to the riding experience, featuring increased flex in the steering head area for enhanced feedback during aggressive braking and cornering. The aerodynamics have been optimized as well, highlighted by a redesigned front fairing and the advanced Winglets 3.0, which provides substantial downforce, helping to achieve faster lap times on the track. The flex frame has also seen development, now incorporating a new engine mount on the left side, further improving handling dynamics. On the electronics front, the M1000RR is equipped with a comprehensive array of systems, enhanced by a new slide control function enabled by the steering angle sensor. This innovation, along with the updated dynamic traction control that now distinguishes between slip control and slide control, enhances both performance and rider confidence. Additionally, the new brake slide assist feature, part of the BMW Race ABS Pro, offers improved stability during acceleration drifts, while the M short-stroke throttle significantly boosts overall control and responsiveness. The BMW M1000RR remains available in 2 striking versions, the base model in light white uni and the M competition variant in black storm metallic, both adorned with M color graphics, catering to those who seek not just performance, but style as well.